Hi, if you don't have a skipping rope, it's okay. We're gonna learn how to make one out of socks and rubber band. But you do need to have helping hands. So mom and dad, you gotta help them, okay? So you probably will need about 3 pairs of long socks. So do ask mom or dad if they could lend you some. And probably about 5 rubber bands. And then we're gonna do it together. To make the skipping socks, you will need 1, 2, 3 long socks. So you probably can ask mom or dad if they can lend you some. Alright? And you will need about 5 rubber bands and a pair of helping hands. Hi! Alright, to do this, first we need to take a pair of socks. We're gonna lay it out. Let's put our rubber band over there. So we have the toe side and the opening side. Now take the other side of that socks, the toe side, and put it in the opening. Now you need your helping hands. Where's my helping hands? You're gonna take the rubber band helping hands and you're gonna try to tie it together. And you need to hold the other socks so it's easier for your helping hands to help you. Good job. The tighter, the better. So in case you skip, you won't fall off. Thank you, helping hands. Now we're gonna attach. Now we have 2 socks. And we're gonna make it longer. We can extend it where the opening is and the toe side. Gonna put it in. All right, helping hands. Remember, you always have to help your helping hands. Thank you, mom and dad, for tying for your little ones. All right, and then we're gonna extend it and keep going until you find the right length for yourself. Okay, so 3 pairs of socks, long socks, may work for your child because I need about 4. And then keep going and then you can test. After you have attached all your socks together, it's time for us to test it to make sure it is the correct length for you. I'm gonna test mine. Oh, let's try that again. Oh, I think that's too short for me. So I need to attach 1 more sock. I have the toe side here. Put it in the opening side. I need 1 rubber band. You probably need a helping hand to help you with the tying. And then we're gonna test it. Let me grab the other side. So this works. It really feels way better than the first one. Let's test. Yes, most definitely better than the first one. I hope you had fun making your sock skipping rope with me. See you in class. Bye.